Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover indefinite pronouns. There is a separate playlist of pronouns in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available right in the description box for you to check. Now without any further ado or delay, let's jump right in. What are indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns refers to person or things in a general way. They do not refer to any person or thing in particular. So we use them to talk about people and things in a very general way, usually because we can't or we don't want to identify them more specifically. We don't have to be specific, we have to generalize them. That's why we use indefinite pronoun. It does not point out a particular pronoun but refers to it in a general way. There are there's a huge list of indefinite pronouns, like a huge one. Let's read most of it. Okay, will start from one, none, all, somebody, nobody, anybody, everybody, few, many, any, others, everyone, someone, no one, anyone, everything, something, nothing, anything, some, both, another, much, little. So therefore all these indefinite pronouns does not refer to any particular kind of person or a thing, but it refers in a general way. So an indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that doesn't more specifically identify what it is referring to. For example, you see the word someone. Someone is an indefinite pronoun, and we know that the pronoun someone refers to a human being, but we don't know any other information about them. So basically indefinite pronouns vaguely or generally refer to a person or thing. So it could refer to an unknown person, it could refer to a very general amount about which we don't have any more information, like several, and we also refers to totality or absence, like everything or nothing. Now let us have a look at some examples of indefinite pronouns in order to comprehend our knowledge better. The first one is, one must keep one's promise. None of his movies was a hit at the box office. Some are born great, some achieve greatness. Somebody pointed to me the way to the flower show. Nobody came to our rescue. Be good to others. Let us now focus on some important points related to indefinite pronouns. So there are 3 points and we'll do it one by one. The first one is, after indefinite pronouns as subject. Here it means that whenever indefinite pronouns will be used as subjects, as the doer of the action in sentences, we usually use singular verbs. So singular verbs will be used, and therefore the pronouns that will precede them will be plural in nature. So therefore whenever indefinite pronouns will be used as subjects, the verbs will be singular and the pronouns used after that would be plural. Let us have a look at some examples. The first one is, someone has been calling and saying they had to talk to you about their schedule. So here someone, a person that we don't know, right? Someone is an indefinite pronoun. We have used has as a singular verb and therefore they as a plural pronoun. The next example is, if anyone calls, just take their number and say I'll call them back as soon as possible. So in this particular sentence, anyone, a person that we don't know, right, calls, a singular verb, and therefore the pronoun preceding is them, which is supposed to be plural in nature. The second point that should be taken care of is, we usually use someone or something. Someone means a person that we don't know. something means a thing that we don't know about, is used in positive sentences or questions, okay, expecting positive answer, okay. We use someone or something in positive sentences, and therefore those questions in which we tend to expect a positive answer. Have a look at these set of examples here. I was looking for someone who spoke Arabic. So we used a positive sentence, and when we use positive sentence we use indefinite pronoun someone or something. Next example is, can I ask something about the homework? So therefore the speaker is expecting that the person would provide him a help, okay. So therefore when we expect positive answers we use someone or something. The third and the last point is, we use anyone or anything in sentences with negative element. So therefore we use anyone or anything in negative sentences, okay, or in open questions, or in questions which are open, where our meaning is that it doesn't matter who or what. So in these two situations we will use anyone or anything. Have a look at these set of examples here. The first one is, can I see anyone outside? Sorry, can you see anyone outside? It means that it doesn't matter who or what, you have to look to the person who is outside, right? Next is, I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything means it doesn't matter who or what. These are negative sentences. It isn't difficult, anyone can do it. No matter who or what, anyone can do it, any person can do it. So therefore we use anyone or anything in negative sentences as well as in some open questions where it doesn't matter who or what. This section brings to an end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.